Hello, my name is Tim Carliel, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can build your own welding workbench. Whether you have a MIG, gas, or stick welder, building a welding workbench is a great first welding project. Personally, I use a MIG welder, and the basic technique to running beads is to draw a continuous loop with the tip of the wire, building up the puddle like so. The first step for this project is to get together your materials. You'll need 3/8 of an inch steel for the tabletop, 2-inch angle iron for the frame and legs, and 3/16 of an inch flat steel for the struts. For the frame, you'll need 4 pieces of angle iron cut about 3 inches shorter than the dimensions of the table. You'll also need 4 pieces of angle iron for the legs cut to the length you want the height of the tabletop to be. Finally, you need some 3/16 of an inch flat iron that you can weld for struts between the table's legs. If you're enjoying this video, please take the time to favorite the video and subscribe to my channel. This will help support me in my efforts to make more videos for you to enjoy.